Okay, so this video is going to be a two-part video. In the first part, I will be explaining about the lower fidelity prototype, and my colleague Simon will be explaining about the high fidelity prototype in the second part. So in the last assignment, we were discussing basically my group members and we did a case study of contextual inquiries about five different international students, and we noticed like most of the problems that revolve around them is based on language barriers, time management, and commuting problems. So we came up with a few alternative solutions after having many discussions. So we were thinking of creating maybe an advanced type of Google Maps, which will be easy for anyone who wants to commute, and it won't have a language barrier as well because it'll be acceptable for all different types of cultures and backgrounds. And another solution we came up with was a gaming app due to the stress, and which will relieve a lot of stress for most of the problems these international students are facing. So, but our final solution and the solution we based upon is the building of a calendar app, which we came up because it seemed like most of the students we interviewed all one thing, one big problem in common, which was the time management, because everyone was having issues coping with their time coming back to in class because they had so much spare time during when it was when classes were online, because everything was online and you had much more time to spare rather than wasting time on commuting and coming back to school from school and going to work, etc. Maybe playing games, meeting people. So I'm going to show the low fee. This is the low fidelity prototype, which my colleague Termoon came up with. So basically, we can see the rough idea of what we were planning to come up with for this for the solution. So here we can see we had the idea of adding our logo here, and the sign in field, which you enter your email and your password and you sign up. If it's a first time user, you will have to sign up. So basically, where after you're done creating an account, you basically go straight into it. The calendar, this is how the calendar should look like. Your name should be on top, and month, and this is basically how we were planning to add a task, and how your task would look like when you are at the task page. So yeah, so I guess so right now we are going to move on to the second part of the video, because I just explained briefly how our uh, app is going to look like. Um, Simon will now start with wireframes.
Now this is the wireframe section of the application. Uh, the website we use is called it's Figma. It's what we use to create our blueprints. And over here at the top left we have our the name of the app. We called it Plan to Go with the logo. It's a simple, it's like simplistic design. Now I'm gonna go over the pages for the wireframe. So I'm gonna zoom in here. First we got the lock screen prompt, where basically the user will receive notifications from the app and they can set up when they want to receive the notifications. Now, down here, the schedule view is the main page uh, when the user starts the app, and they can see what's upcoming and what they want to change. When they go to the sidebar here at the top left, they click that. It'll show them everything they want to adjust, whether they want to go to the day, week, or month, which are over here. These For these views, we made it so we added different pages for like for the week, for the day and month, so the user can it'll be make it more convenient for the user to see how exactly they want to plan things, or how to, like, the tasks they want to plan and to add. With this page, they could add a new task. They'll select the date for creating the task. They can add a title, add the details for their task, and set the time and a reminder. And they could choose if they want their priority to be high or low. They prioritize how important the task is. And so for the prototype here, this is how we pieced it all together. It starts with the login screen, creating an account, to the main page here, and with this will take you to all of the pages you want to go with the sidebar. If you want to go to the notifications, goals, yearly view, if you want to go to the week view, all the views here. Yeah, this is essentially the wireframe for our app, Plan to Go. It was made to, just make their planning more convenient, help users plan ahead, and make them keep on track in their day-to-day. Alright, so now I'm going to be interacting with the prototype. So when you first start the app for the first time, you're going to get this page to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, you could simply just click here to log in and go to the login page. You can have your email or phone number, and type in your password, and then after that, just click the login. Now this will be the schedule page. This is the main page. It will show you the current month, where you could choose a day and choose the task for users to stay on top of their schedule. Over down here, users can customize the days that are upcoming to their liking. And if you click the little arrow here, users can have the option to copy, edit, and delete. If they want to delete a task, and go over here to the sidebar, this will show you all the different options that's included. So the day page, the week, the month, the notifications they'll get for the app, and the goals that the users can set. And they can also prioritize their tasks to their liking. So we go to the month. This shows all the months in the year where if users want to plan in advance, they choose which month, and they add a task and set up what they need. And if you go back here, go to the week. This page is more concise. Some of the tasks, they could color code it. They could also, they'll get notifications just any day of the week and set up the time. And over here in the day page, this one is in a 24-hour span, they can set up tasks in their day. They can prioritize which tasks are more important to notify the user if they please. And yeah, that's about everything that's in this prototype for the Plan to Go app.